She got worm in her mouth. My goodness. Oh. Bobcats are back. I think they're couple, but I don't know where the kids are at, or the kittens. They're back. They're watching them birds. Yep. They're back again. Where are you going? Where are you guys going? Right there. I don't know where they're going. Oh, the other one is right there. The orange one. Just roaming the yard. Like they're at home. Wait. Ayan. Huh? Scallop potato now. So, I am going to make some scallop potato. But I already ate. This is for the girls and daddy. Parang kid lang katambo guys. Or rabanos. And Stephanie eating breakfast. I cooked some bacon earlier. I had one. You had one. Them are some thick cut bacon. I have my tripod are all in the Philippines, so bear with me. Mr. Woodpecker is checking the pool again. So today we are making pizza. Right here we have 3½ cup of all-purpose flour mixed with what else? How much salt was that? 2 tablespoons of salt right there. And then we have our yeast, active dry yeast activating. We got 1 1/3 cup of warm water in here with 2 1/4 teaspoon active dry yeast and 1, how much sugar was that? 1 teaspoon sugar, and then mix, and then we are just waiting for this to activate it, and then when that gets foamy, meaning our yeast is active, it's good to go. It's good for baking, because if it's dead, our dough is not going to rise. It's not gonna be good. And then when that's done, we are going to mix that in here with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, this should be good. Now we're ready to add this to our flour. Be careful. All of it. Okay, and then we add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Here, hold this. I got this in here. One. Actually, this is avocado oil, but it's fine.
Can I mix it?
Yeah. Okay. Now mixed it in.
It smells like banana.
You have to hold this. And someone is watching Moana.
Why does it? It's like doughy like banana.
Yeah. It's not banana. It's supposed to be just like that. Okay, so we have done kneading it, and we let it rise for about an hour. 45 minutes to an hour. We let it rest, it will rise. See, our dough has risen. We are getting ready for our pizza. Okay, I think that is it. This is my square pizza, taco pizza, half and half pepperoni. Oh, diba? Here's the taco pizza, And on the other side, taco with, ano ba yan? Pepperoni. And the cheese one. This is the leftover cheese. One piece. You guys can eat some of this too. Ah, my friend is here. See? Yep. What are you doing down there? Huh? What's up? Where are you going? Huh? He's limping. He or she. He or she limping. Why? Got hurt? Mm-hmm. See you. She's still waiting for me. I can't even hit them. You thought it's food. It's waiting for it too. Nah. They're scared of them. Boom.